Hello, here we are going to model view the project of Team 1. The project title is the Face Recognition Based Attendance Monitoring System. Okay, that takes the input as the face of the student and records the attendance of the students for the particular class in the database, and it provides greater accuracy in detecting the faces of the students those who are attended to the class on that particular day, and it stores the data. It stores the attendance of the students in a CSV file, I mean in Excel file, in the database separately, day by day, day wise, in a day wise. So we the attendance do not collide with the day with the particular classes, and so it saves in a separate file. So let's see the files of the project. Here those are the files that are used in the project. This attendance folder consists of the attendance of the students on a particular day with the timestamp. Here we see some name, data, and time. These attributes are used to store the attendance details of the students. So here this is date, and this is the timestamp, and this is the ID. So next, the student details folder consists of the student, all the complete details of the students that are pre-registered to the courses in the attendance monitoring system. So once the one student has to uh, give the attendance for a particular class, then he or she must pre-registered in the student details monitoring tool before that. So the no student out of the class not allowed into the take the attendance without registering in the monitoring system. So it provide a password. The administrator provides a password to the student, so the student who knows the exact password only will register for the student monitoring system and take the attendance in the this monitoring tool. And this file contains the training images of the different students. So whenever the student wants to register in the monitoring system, then this student has to provide some of the different face expressions in different angles to the system. Then the system collects these images and stores it in the database with respect to the timestamp and whatever the other the remaining things according to its compatibility. And so these are the pictures of the different people in different angles and in different timestamps. So these help to find out exact image, exact face of the students whenever the student is tries to giving the attendance in the monitoring tool. So this file consists of those images, and this file consists all the requirements of the face cascading details from the screen. So this files, this text file and this YAML file helps the model to detect the faces from the different pictures. And this is the environment that is created in the pycharm environment. So these libraries are from Python. So these Python libraries provide sufficient amount of enough libraries to the code that is running in the project. So some of the concepts, some of the packages require more libraries to bring more computational logic while dealing with the images of the students, I mean the faces of the students. So these folders help the system to maintain this type of this to maintain this kind of environment easily. And this is the hard-coded file. This file helps the system to detect the faces from the exactly from the screen. So this file consists of different lot of number of bad images and good images of the faces that are scrapped or cropped from the screen, and it is also available in the internet. It provides greater usability in the finding the accuracy while detecting the faces. And these are the installation commands that are must be installed while executing the project. And this one has different activity in the project, like OpenCV detects the face, and date and time has the timestamp, and the numpy pandas are used for the large amount of data matrices, while the images, the face is divided into the pixels. So these pixels are handled with these NumPy and Pandas libraries. So this helps in that way. And the main.py file is the main file of this project, and this file contains exactly the actual code of the project in this file. So let us explain the file from top to bottom. So we imported the required libraries from the Python packages, and these are used in the following functions. These functions help us to perform different business logics in the code. Some if this function helps to create a warning, a message to the student if anything goes wrong with the system. And this file checks out the face of the student from the screen by reviewing with the camera. And these functions help us the model to define exactly the face is the registered student or not. If the student is not registered, then it won't give the attendance to that person. So it gives authenticity in that way with with the machine learning algorithms that are implemented in a cryptographical way. And these clear to functions are used to quit the camera while reading the faces of the students. And this image, next one, and this train images is a machine learning algorithmic functions are combined under this function. So these are help to train the images with the examples of bad images and good images, and makes the system to work in an accuracy way. um, Next, these functions help to get the accuracy well in defining in recognizing the face of the students from the screen. So this is the front end code. It is a front end code that creates a UI in the system of a platform independent uh, that may provide greater usability and greater visibility to the student or any other person who is going to taking the attendance in this system. So now let's see how it runs. So I click run button, and the GUI is opened whenever I click the run button. So the student has to enter his ID and his name. Then after he has to take images. So whenever he click the images, it randomly takes some of the images of the student and linked it to the ID and the name, and stores in the database. And whenever he clicks save profile, then this profile is saved in the database. Then already I registered 12 members of 12 students details in the database. Now if I click save profile, then it will be updated to 30. So already I have registered my details with this system. Now once I will take my attendance by clicking the take attendance, now it will detect my face and give mark attendance for me for that class. And it provides also timestamp exactly the date and the time when the assignment is taken. So I'm clicking take attendance. Yeah, now the camera is open, and it is showing that it is detecting my face, and it is displaying my name as Sandeep. Yeah, I'm I given my ID and my name as Sandeep, and I took pictures of me while training the algorithm, and I saved my profile. Then while I'm taking my attendance, it is detecting my face, and it is providing my correct name. So it is marking my details in the database. So I am clicking Q now, then the camera will end Q. Then look at it. So 1 2 3 4 is my ID, and Sandeep is my name, and it 3 3 23 is today, and 20 58 it's nothing but 858. Yeah, see here 859 it is uh, 52 around it to 859. So the timestamp is matched, and it took the attendance of me. So it worked correctly, and I'm now executing quit. So the program is executed successfully. So once we cross check the attendance is marked or not, so we click the attendance of the today, then it is showing that it is 20. Yeah, yes, it is 858. Yes, Sandeep 3323 858. The attendance marked is incorrect. So it is a CSV file that is stored in the database. So the program works correctly. Thank you.